Hello guys, so today we will learn how to draw the error bars in graph using origin. As you can see here, there are two type of graphs. One is on left hand side and another is on right hand side. So we will draw these graphs using origin. First we will open our origin. It's already open. You have to open a book sheet or workbook, then copy any data you want to draw. For example, I am going to use this random data. Copy and then just click here and paste. Yeah, so that data is already here, so we cannot insert the error bars directly. So first we have to draw the graph. Click these two columns, insert any type of graph. I am using scattering graph. Okay, graph is here. Now we want to insert the error bars. So just click this graph and then go to this tab, insert. On insert tab you just click and click the error bars. So just click on this. A new window is open. You can see there are three options: percent of data, which you can choose any value, for example 3 or any value. Second option is standard deviation of the data, then you have to provide the scaling factor. And third is square root of the data. So for simplicity I will choose the first one. Let's choose 2.5. Any value you want you can choose, then click OK. A new column appeared here. So this is 2.5% error bar of column Y. And you can also click this column, and if you want to set as, here you can see its error bar for the column Y. You can also change to the x-axis error bar. So let's keep Y and draw the graph. So once you click, the graph is ready, as you can see here. So let's check more options. So for example, you can adjust the first scale 0 to maybe 9. It's too big, so let's change to 4 to 8. Yeah, so for more clarity I will further adjust the range. It's too low. Yes, 4. Yeah, from we can choose even. Yeah, perfect. So we will check the properties of these error bars on y-axis. Just put the precursor on the error bar and click. When you will double click, a new window will appear, and which shows the color of the bar. Let's choose blue. So this is the line width. Let's change to maybe 3 to see what happens. This is cap width of this one, so let's change it to 12 maybe. Okay, let's keep other options as it. Yeah, you can see these are more wide and the color turn blue, and also they are more wide. So similarly you can change, try different options. So how to adjust these error bars. And now we can also turn this y-axis error bar into the x-axis error bar, so it will be slightly different. I will show you. Again I will insert another error bar, and then click this graph, insert error bar. Where error bar, and let's keep 5. Okay, now this is 5% error bar. Again, it's for y-axis. Let's change it to the x-axis. Right click and set as x-axis bar. So here you can see it's x, here is y. So let's draw and see. Select all columns and then choose this one. Here you can see like they are also along x-axis and also y-axis. There are two error bars. So let's only draw on along the x-axis. Okay, for x-axis you have to choose only x-axis and the data. Don't choose y. Then click the graph. Here you can see there are error bars along the x-axis. Again, you can change their properties and everything according to your requirement. Oh, they are blue. You can also change the properties of these data symbols, like keep it empty like this. So this is the x-axis error bar, and similarly we also did the y-axis error bar here in this graph. So let's try something more. Just right click, change to the right click here and change to the column bar. Here you can see another kind of error bars. So this is where we can learn how to draw the error bars along x-axis or along y-axis. Thank you very much.